Hello lovelies, welcome back to Kayi's Corner. I'm Kayi, and in today's video I'm going to make Gizzard Suya or Gizzard kebabs. All the ingredients we're going to need for this recipe will be in the description box. Don't go anywhere, keep watching. Here are all the ingredients we're going to need to make the Gizzard Suya or Gizzard kebab. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. This is chili sauce, rapeseed oil, soya powder. So those are all the ingredients we're going to need today, and I will be adding 1 teaspoon of rosemary as well. Bienvenue sur Kayi's Corner, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Moi je vais super bien. Aujourd'hui je partage ma recette de brochettes de gizzard de poulet avec vous, et voilà tous les ingrédients dont on aura besoin aujourd'hui pour faire les brochettes. And you need to soak your skewers half an hour before start cooking so they don't burn. Just mix everything properly and then add a little bit of water. Add 1 teaspoon of rosemary. Stir everything nicely and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. It's exactly how I want it now after cooking it for 35 minutes. So I'm just going to let it cool down, and after that I'll put the gizzard and the fresh vegetables on the skewers and pop it in the grill. I will be using some of these to make a stew, so I will share that with you in my next video. You just need to cut it in your preferred size. I cut them in medium size, and gizzard has cooled down now. So I'm going to start putting them on the skewers, and afterwards I'll grill it for 10 minutes on each side, and the kebab will be ready. I'm going in with the soya powder. Ready to go in the grill now, so make sure you grill it for 10 minutes. So good and ready to be served.
end of today's video. I hope you love this recipe and you're going to give it a try. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss out on my new uploads. And I will see you in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Et voilà, c'est la fin de cette vidéo. J'espère que vous avez aimé la recette d'aujourd'hui. À très bientôt. Si vous êtes nouveau sur ma chaîne, s'il vous plaît, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et activer votre cloche afin de ne pas rater mes nouvelles vidéos. Au revoir.